There's all kinds of varieties of financial advisors, but the bottom line is you need to know how much money you're paying for that service. You need to have the clarity that this is it. And if after even just 2 minutes you don't know what they're saying, or it's not clear how they're going to bill you, siren should go off. Take a step back. At IAM, we charge a percentage of assets. And that's it. It generally revolves around 1%, give or take a little bit, depending upon the size of your account. You see that. And we're very cognizant of that fee. We know that we have to earn that every day, every week, every month. We're not going to have clients stay with us for 25 years if we're not earning our fees. And that's our goal, to have long-term clients. At IAM, clarity is key. For the average person, it's hard to know whether somebody's qualified or whether you really can trust them. So how do you go about doing that? First off, you want to look at their length of service. How long have they worked in the industry? You know, if you haven't done well for a period of time, you're not going to stay in the industry. So how long have you been in business? What are your credentials? What kind of educational background do you have? And what kind of credentials have you earned or people within the firm earned? You know, how strong is that team? Does that team have a sustainable infrastructure that's going to keep delivering the results for you time after time? And if you want to prove it for yourself, you should ask a financial advisor, give me a list of some of your clients. Don't accept 2 or 3. If you get 2 or 3, they can be their best friends. What you want is 5 or 6, and you want to have the ability to call any of them that you want and ask any question you want. And if there's any pushback on that, walk away. It's fair to ask, how have you been doing? I mean, it's great to be able to tell an existing client how they're doing, but if you are talking to this advisor for the first time, you want to know how they perform for large groups of clients. And they should have those results for you. We post our results online, and we're happy to show them to anybody, how we've done over specific time periods. And I'm not talking about just a few months, we're talking about years. I've learned over the years that the majority of advisors put people in boxes. They say, oh, you're in this group, so you should be in this model plan that we've designed just for your group. But what people don't realize, they can have a customized plan, not designed for a group, but designed for them. And they can get that without paying a penny more. They just have to search around to find those advisors that are willing to take the time and put forth the effort to understand their needs, to identify their goals, and to customize a portfolio that's going to achieve them. It's important to ask, what services do you offer? Now, that's not often an easy question. If someone comes in, we need to find out what it is they need most. Sometimes they'll come in with a list of objectives and goals, but sometimes we just need open-ended questions to find out what it is that they most need. What are the services that fit them? It could be financial planning, and we provide that. It could be investment management. It could be estate planning or tax preparation. In some of those cases, we refer others to people in our network, professionals that we work with all the time that are highly qualified. But it's really important. The bottom line is the advisor has to listen to you and find out what your needs are. And then you've got to know, just from that meeting, got to get a sense of whether they get it and whether they're going to bring the resources to the table to meet those needs.